Okay guys, so we have a major problem here at the ZR2. And as you guys can see in the title, it might not be the major problem that you were thinking of, but for a ZR2, it is a major problem. So what Chevy has done here, and I'll show you right here in a second, as we unlock it, here is the major problem. And it is these reverse lights that are very, very dull. And then it's also these license plate lights that are a weird yellow, non-LED. Guys, like that is, for a Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, it's kind of pathetic. And as you guys can see, like, it is just not bright at all. And this is in the dark, so I'll show you one more time here. This is it before we put the solution in. You guys can see, super dull, like yellow lighting, just really, really bad. But there is a solution, thankfully, and the solution I will show you is for the license plate lights. The solution is the LASFIT LED lighting license plate lights, and they are, it's an LT10. Let's walk in here. So we have an LT110. Like I said, guys, this is from LASFIT. They have the canvas ready, new LED technology, and they're much brighter than these halogens that we have on the ZR2. I'll show you one more time. So we're going to put those in, as well as just one more look at it. Like very, very dull lighting. And you'll see as soon as we put the LED lights in, and we also have these guys here, and these are for the reverse lights, and these are going to make them so much brighter. And it helps you functionality wise, it helps you when you're backing up because you can see more, because these are much brighter. So we have these guys along with the license plate lights, and the ZR2 is going to get a bit of, I wouldn't say an overhaul, but the lighting on the rear end is going to make such a big difference with the LEDs from LASFIT. So we're going to put these in and we're going to show you guys the difference. Okay, so jumping right into it here, we have our LED bulbs, and once you take off that bolt there, and a T15 will do that, you take that off, then this housing comes out. Once the housing comes out, this is the new bulb. This is the new LASFIT bulb versus the old bulb that was in there. So you can see a huge world of difference. And then that will just plug right back into there. And then you basically put it right back on and then screw it back in. And that's the install. It's very, very simple, very straightforward. It makes a world of difference. You can just see the two bulb comparisons. Yeah, night and day. So once we're done the install, we will show you what these look like at night, and then we'll do the license plate bulbs. Okay, so we've installed them. Tail lights back together. We're just going to give you a test in the day. There's lots of light just to see how bright it is. Yeah, and they're super bright. We'll show you what it looks like at night, but just after installing them, yeah, it's super bright, night and day. Crazy difference. These should really be from factory, and LASFIT makes just a really quality bulb that is super bright. So if you are needing any bulbs, license plate, reverse lights, headlights, that's the place to go for them. And they're super bright, super good quality. So we will also show you what it looks at night, but just in the daytime, that is what it's looking like, and we are super happy with that. Okay, and so install on the license plate lights, that's the old light bulb there. And then we put in the new LASFIT one, so that's the old one. And then when you're coming up in here, you can see where they're placed. So you gotta get right up in there. You can just get in with your hand. You take those out, put the new bulb in. There's one on the right, on the right side, and then come around here. That one's also up on the left there. You can see it right in there. If you just reach up and over with your hand, you can get it no problem. And you just pull out, put the new bulb in, and then that's the install for the license plate lights. So we'll show you how they look in the day, but that's it for that one. You see the shock swell there. But anyway, so that's how you replace the license plate lights. There's one, and then like I showed you on the other side, and we will show you what it looks like in the daytime as well as nighttime. So as we turn it on here, as they warm up, yeah, you can see it's a world of difference. Super bright, no yellow tinge, a bright white, and at night these will shine like crazy. Those, and then we have the reverse lights as well as the lights. So you can just see in the daytime how much light that's creating. World of difference. Yeah, night and day, no pun intended, but it is, guys, LASFIT killed it with these bulbs. If you need license plate lights or reverse lights, there's really only one place you have to go, and it's, you got to go to LASFIT, because these bulbs are incredible. Such good quality and super bright. And we'll show you what it looks like at night as well. So guys, just to add on to that, there are lots of different bulbs on Amazon. The problem with going on Amazon is they burn out super quick, and they're not the quality that LASFIT has. So if you are in the market, go with a better quality bulb. They're very good, very well priced, and they're super bright, but pay for the quality. Don't do this again. Sometimes with the Amazon bulbs, I found they burn out really, really quickly, and they're not even as bright. So do it once, do it right, and LASFIT definitely has our vote. Okay guys, as promised, we're going to show you how these LASFIT LED bulbs look at night on the ZR2. Guys, they are so bright. These lights are insanely bright. Like, they light up absolutely everything. Might even be hard to see on camera because they're so bright. And you have the license plate lights, again, super bright. Like, just crazy, crazy bright. They just really transform the look of the truck in the back, because they were all these warm, kind of yellowish lights, and they looked awful from factory. And these look so much better. And they're super bright. So that will do it, guys. Like we said earlier, go with a good quality bulb. LASFIT has super good quality stuff, and they do last. And you guys can see how bright they actually are. And just looks incredible. License plate matched up to the reverse lights. Not only does it, you know, help when you're backing up, but you know, it looks a lot better as well. So get them for functionality. Looking through your back camera, it lights up way more behind you, so you can actually see where you're going. But it also looks much better, improves the quality look of the truck. So you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe. We have lots of content coming. And leave any comments down below if you have the LASFIT bulbs. or you want to get, I would highly recommend. But that will do it, guys. Just like, can't get over how bright they are. We'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.